Gage Blackback, the open racing, Queen of Queens, Jam Squeak out of the gate. And running in second is Witness in Manila. 2 lengths back to Super Wind, then followed by Defiant. Here comes Maki Sig, Wind Beneath My Wings, Action, Sailor C, Senora. Len while Anonymous is running in the tail of the fielder. And inside the line 600, Queen of Queens just in front, followed by Witness in Manila. 5 lengths away, Super Wind. Here comes Maki Zig. Down in fourth is, or fifth is Defiant. Inside the last 400, Queen of Queens leads Balang, followed by Witness in Manila. Super Wind, Maki Zig. Defiant, Wind Beneath My Wings, Action, Celeras. They swing for home with Queen of Queens. Leads by Zam 2.5 now, followed by Witness in Manila. In second, Super Wind, Maki Zig. And finally, it's Queen of Queens. Witness in Manila, Maki Zig. Super Wind, Defiant, Action, Sailor.